Costco! Yay!
Ace it.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Wow, wow, wow.
Ito, ano to? Bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
Wow, bulgogi. Gabi, gabi.
Wow.
Hindi.
Ah, sige.
Hindi ko alam. Ikaw ang may birthday. Ay, ako ba?
Hindi, ako. Ako may birthday.
Pero ito, pag ito, mas madami. Go, te.
This is what we call overshopping.
Grabe talaga yung kain.
Taste test.
Taste test, pero nakakain na siya.
Siguro salmon like, ano, 7?
7?
7 out of 10?
Bakit? Explain mo. Why?
Kasi ano siya, smoked. Parang masarap naman siya. Actually, pag, siguro iba lang expectation ko.
Wow.
Ang expectation ko ay normal. Pero kung ang expectation mo, smoked salmon, 10 out of 10. Wow! At hindi ko siya
Sige,
maintindihan.
taste test. Ayan.
Parang chicken? Chicken ba?
Hindi ko nga alam. Parang tuna.
Tuna. Spicy tuna.
Go.
Okay. Sarap siya. Very spicy.
Anong rate? Rate, no?
Parang ano, 9.
Wala na.
9, masarap siya. 9 out of 10. Ikaw. This, I don't know what is this. Parang itlog. Itlog mo ba to? Ay, itlog lang.
Itlog lang. Sad.
Bakit siya? 6. Hindi siya wow. Hindi siya like wowness.
Tuna, spicy tuna. Saka yung salmon din. Siguro second yung salmon. So, masarap siya. Tuna, ay salmon. Chicken.
That's it.
Tuna. And egg.
An egg.
She's so big now.
Try not to try.
Happy birthday, Mary.
Happy birthday to me. We're going to find my vanilla and coffee. Let's go. Happy birthday. I can't find the coffee and the vanilla. Hi, excuse me. Can I ask where's the vanilla for the coffee?
For the coffee,
Yeah.
We don't have a big variety. Yeah, we've only just got the
Oh,
one
okay.
bottle.
Okay. Thank
Sorry
you.
about that.
Thank you so much. I found it. Let's go. So I'm done with my cookies. and we're gonna find Kuya. Kuya, nasaan ka na? Yan lang yung pinapabili?
Say hi to my vlog!
Happy birthday, Luto Barinsyana! Ito na, may ingredients sa ating Barinsyana.
Wow! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Isel! Happy birthday to you! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! Guys, love wish na.
Okay, hawakan mo na yung cake mo.
Wala pang ulan.
Yes!
Pero buti nga yun lang, no? Yung side lang na yun. Kasi, try mo muna linisan mo. Try lang.
Black na lang. Kasi pag white, mas maano.
Ito guys, mas maganda to kasi pagka-pour niya ng matcha, kitang-kita yung green. Diba? Ito nga, $10 lang.
Wow lang!
Oo, benta mo ngayon kasi sa bahay. 10. Guys, 10. Sale na. Baba na to.
Gahanap ng wipes. Si ate ko. Gahanap ng wipes.
Please keep your receipt for returns and when exiting the store.
Kulang.
Putik.